Hello, my sincere students. How are you all? I'm Shalvi Dike and I'm into this teaching line since 10 years. I'm not going to ask you how was your economics paper because I know that, and that's the main reason we are meeting today. Don't worry, when such kind of papers are set, usually the checking is very easy. So just relax, students. You still have something positive to keep with yourself. Now let's quickly go on the objectives and check out. The very first thing is macroeconomics. Macroeconomics is income theory. As you all know, this is given in your features. Land and labor में derived demand and indirect demand. दोनों आंसर्स करेक्ट है. ED is equal to unitary elastic demand. फैक्टर कॉस्ट मेथड मतलब इनकम मेथड है. अब IT रिटर्न्स फाइल कर रहे हो तो ऑब्वियसली इट्स गोइंग टू बी डायरेक्ट टैक्स. Now, additional utility and additional unit consumed means it has to be marginal utility, students. Price being constant, the demand falls. So, जब demand fall हो रहा है, unfavorable changes के वजह से is going to be decrease in demand, students. Revenue per unit of output sold, it's going to be average revenue. Period in which all factors of production are variable, it's long period. Gross market value of all the final goods and services which are produced is going to be GDP. Full form लिखा है तो भी full marks मिलेंगे. Whole economy studied, हम सबको पता है, it's going to be macro. When the percentage change in the quantity demanded is less than the percentage change in the price, the curve is going to be always steeper. So ये आपको आया था नीचे के question में. Now, the firm to promote sales, obviously, it's going to be selling cost. Then, consistent revenue receipt and revenue expenditure, revenue budget आएगा. Purchase goods and services from one country and selling them to another country. Entrepot, because वही country import भी कर रही है और export भी कर रही है, इसीलिए entrepot. Okay. Next, assertion. Marginal utility MU goes on diminishing. Correct है. TU increases at a diminishing rate. ये भी correct है students. But marginal utility का ये reason नहीं है students. That is the reason A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation. Now, A, when rising price supply of a commodity falls. That is false. But selling, that is seller earns profit at a higher price. That is true. When the price increases, the quantity also increases. That's the reason A is false. Index number considers all factors. That's false. But yes, it is based on sampling. It is true. Therefore, A is false, but R is true. Okay. Next time, money market economizes use of cash. That's correct. But it does not deal with financial instruments. ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता. So the reason is false, students. Therefore, A. International trade leads to division of labor. Very true. But Indian national trade is not increasing. That's not possible, students. So that's false. Okay. Then let us identify. Asha collects information about the income of a particular firm. एक firm है, इसीलिए study of individual units या microeconomics. Ramesh demands for salt. Salt is something जो आप postpone नहीं कर सकते. तो अगर इसका rate बढ़ा भी तो भी हमको लेना पड़ेगा. Therefore, it is an inelastic demand, something which you cannot postpone. Perfectly inelastic demand. Out of 4,000 kgs of rice. So it's about the supply. So it will be supply or it can also be actual supply. Shobha collects information regarding the money value of all final goods and services. So it's going to be national income. If gross लिखा होता जो ऊपर terms में दिया है तो उसका answer GDP होगा. Now the lump sum amount, we know that lump sum amount तो fixed deposit ही होगा. सो ये आपके डिस्टिंग्विश थे, ये शीट में से भी आए थे 3 ऑलमोस्ट. These have also come from the sheet, that is answer any 3, you would have attempted this nicely. Then we'll go on agree and disagree. There are no exceptions of law of diminishing marginal utility. Disagree, there are money, then drunkard. These all are exceptions. Supply curve, yes, it is backward bending, agreed. Perfect competition, decided by an interaction between the demand and supply. Yes, it is, agree. Capital market plays an important role, agree. No, the balance of payment and balance of trade, ये अलग concepts है, so it's disagree. This was also an easy question. Likewise, if आपको उसका formula आता होगा तो GDP is equal to this. So you would have got C plus I plus G add करना है और simply net export minus करना था आपको. So आपको आंसर मिलता 1750. फिर आपको NDP करना है तो आपको सिर्फ ये आंसर लेना था and depreciation यहाँ से minus करना था student. So आंसर है ₹1650. Okay, so let us identify the price elasticity of demand. Perfectly inelastic demand, which is EO0. Perfectly elastic demand. So I couldn't write infinite there. I couldn't draw that. Then you're relatively inelastic and unitary elastic demand because ये दोनों equal है students. यहाँ मैंने मार्क किए हैं आंसर्स. दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, दिस इज द आंसर ऑफ द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो 2 बेनिफिट्स जो ऊपर मार्क किए हैं. सर्विसेज, इनमें से ये सारे सर्विसेज है. और opinion, you have to write your own opinion students here. And this is the last question. एक as usual demand और supply, demand में से ही आया, but that was a bit unexpected. Everything else was little different. So that's it for today, students. I hope this would have helped you, and best of luck for your other exams. Thank you so much, students.